Good morning, grade 7. We were doing practice set 47. In that second question, first and second problem we have solved. Third and fourth you will be doing it as homework. Okay, they are similar sums. So please do it as homework. Let's go for third question. So practice set 47 we are doing third question. I am reading question for you first. A matchbox is 4 cm long, 2.5 cm broad and 1.5 cm in height. So let us write first what is given. So length of the matchbox is given. So length is equal to, how much they have given? 4 centimeters. Okay. Then breadth. Breadth is how much? Breadth is 2.5 centimeters. Okay. And 1.5 centimeter is height. And height is 1.5 centimeters. So these are the things which are given. Its outer sides are to be covered exactly with craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? Now if you want to cover something, okay, if this is matchbox, imagine, shape is not perfectly as matchbox, it will be like this over here. But if I want to cover this with a paper, that means all these sides will be covered. That is nothing but the total surface area. So we have to find the total surface area of this matchbox, and that much amount of paper will be required to cover this box completely. Are you understanding me? So first you should understand what is to be found out. Okay. So we need to find total surface area of cuboid so as to find how much amount of paper will be required to do so. Alright. So first you write amount of paper required to cover the box is equal to, that is exactly equal to what? It is equal to total surface area of cuboid. Is equal to total surface area of cuboid. Okay. So total surface area of cuboid. What is the formula we all know? It is twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. This is the formula which we have seen in the earlier videos. Yes or no? Okay. So let's find out. So this will be equal to twice, and we just have to substitute. How much is length given? 4. 4 into, how much is breadth? Breadth is 2.5. Okay. Then plus you have, first you sort out this, then you multiply with this 2 after adding everything in the bracket. Okay. Please follow the rules. Breadth into height. So it is 2.5 into height is 1.5 plus, what do we have? Length into height. Length is 4. 4 into 1.5. And then this big bracket. Done everyone? This is equal to twice. Now see, 2.5 and 2.5 is 5. 4 times. So 2.5 into 4 will give 10. This can be done orally, or you multiply and check out. 25 4s are 100. And after one number point is coming. So after 100, 1 0 will go, and then we will get 10. You multiply and check this out. Now see, 25 and 15. How to do multiplication? If you know 15 is table. See students, 15 5s are 75. 7 carry over. 15 2s are 30 and 7 is 37. Point will be after 1 and 2 numbers. 1 and 2. So it will be 3.75. Learn to do orally. Okay. Plus. Now 1.5 and 1.5 is 3. And 3 plus 3, that means 4 into or 15 4s are 60. After one number point will be there, so you are giving your 6. Alright, so this is equal to 2 in bracket. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. So this comes out to be 19.75. Multiply this 2. 2 5s are 10 we have. 2 7s are 14 and 1 15 we have. Carry over 1. 9 2s are 18 we have. 2 1s are 2 and 3. Okay. After 2 numbers point is there. So we are having point after 2 numbers. Okay. So 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15, 2 9s are 18 and 1 19 students here. Okay, 19 and 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. So we have 39.50. In book it is given 39.5, that's also fine. After point 0 doesn't have much value. Okay, so what the question was? How much paper will be required? So we need to write the paper in terms of centimeter square because this is total surface area. So this is as good as 39.5 centimeter square. Okay, so 39.5 square centimeter paper will be required to wrap the matchbox or to cover the matchbox. Is this clear, everybody? Okay, shall we go to the next problem? We'll go to the next problem. Now see students, in fourth problem, it is given an open box of length 1.5 meter, breadth of 1 meter and height of 1 meter is to be made for use on a trolley for carrying garden waste. First you understand what do you mean by open box. Open box is like this. So you remember top portion is missing. So this and this are same. So this is there. So this is length into breadth. So I have given total surface area of this box will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and only 5 surfaces will be there. Are you understanding? Top portion is missing. Here there is no lead to calculate the total surface area. So we have this part only which is equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth I have written only once. Okay, and twice what will come? This side will come twice, which is equal to length into height. So length into height I have written twice, and this is equal to breadth into height. This also will come twice. See, this side and this side, twice it is coming. This side and this side, twice it is coming. But this side only once it is coming. So I have written here only once and I have not taken it inside and multiplied by 2. These two surfaces are coming twice, but this is coming only once. So that is how the total surface area of the open box we will have to calculate. Okay. So after that what they are saying, how much sheet will be required to make this box? We want to make this box. It should be open from this side. Therefore, the sheet required to make this box, metal sheet required is equal to total surface area of open box. That is this much. So first let us find how much sheet is required. So length into breadth if we calculate, it will be, how much is length? 1.5 into breadth is 1 meter plus 2 into, how much is breadth? 1 meter into height is also 1 meter plus length is 1.5 into 1. Okay, 1.5 into 1. So this comes out to be 1.5 plus 2 into 1 into 1 is 1 and this is 1.5. Okay, so this will be equal to 1.5 plus 2 into 2.5. Okay, so this will be 1.5 plus 2 into 2.5 is 5. 2.5 plus 2.5 or multiply by 2 will get 5. So this comes out to be 6.5. So 6.5 meter square metal sheet is required. Now is this clear first of all? Okay, so we have prepared this box of metal and this much amount of metal sheet is required first of all. Now, second part of the question says that the inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted. It has to be painted from this side also and it has to be painted from this side also. That means twice total surface area we have to calculate. So inside area is this much, okay. Outside also area is this much only. This is metal, made up of metal. Are you understanding? Alright. So how much area is to be painted? Inside plus outside. That means twice this. This is only total area we have calculated. But inside it is 6.5 meter square. Outside it is 6.5 meter square and inside also it is 6.5 meter. Here also we have to paint and here also we have to paint. So amount of area to be painted. Okay. Rate of painting is 150. You keep this in mind. So area to be painted. Okay. Area to be painted is equal to 2 into 6.5. 6 into 5. Okay. So how how much area is to be painted? 6.5 into 2 if you do, it is 13 meter square. And how much money will be required? It is 150 rupees per meter square. Okay. So why I have taken this twice? Inside and outside. Okay. So rate or cost of painting is equal to a rate into area. Okay, this is a rate, you remember like this, rate into area. So rate is 150 into area is 30. Are you understanding me? So 0 will remain here. 15 3s are 45. 15 1s are 15 plus 4 92. Got it? So rupees 1950 will be required to paint. Is this clear? So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you. This is your final answer.